oCelloScope is the newest state-of-the-art instrument for measuring bacterial growth, among other things. The results can be read much faster than all other known methods, something that's vital in connection with determining antibiotics resistance. Measurements can be taken from various different samples such as blood, urine, milk and water. oCelloScope can use standard microtiter plates and supports, for example 96, 48, 24, 12 and 6-well plates. Almost all types of microorganisms can be detected and monitored in samples, including bacteria, cells, algae, fungi, yeast and embryos. oCelloScope can be placed in a standard incubator if, for example, measurements at 37 degrees Celsius are required. This video shows how to use oCelloScope to measure bacterial growth in a monoculture. oCelloScope is run and monitored using a standard PC and only requires a normal network cable to connect oCelloScope to the PC. The sample that has to be analyzed is pipetted into the microtiter plate. The microtiter plate is then inserted into oCelloScope with well A1 at the upper left position. The plate is carefully pushed into place and is then fastened. The UniExplorer program on the computer is then started and New Job chosen. The sample is given a name, then choose the Acquire module, and after that the Growth Kinetics module. If more than one oCelloScope is present on the network, the relevant instrument is chosen from the list. Finally, the individual wells that are to be analyzed are chosen, as well as how long the measurement should last and how often the sample should be scanned. Press Start, and the oCelloScope begins its scanning process based on the criteria that have been entered. The cover can be opened if you'd like to follow the scanning process. On screen, you can now follow the graphs produced and see all the pictures that become part of the final film. When the measurements have finished, you can quickly see whether individual wells are anomalous using the Overview facility. Data from growth curves from all wells can be exported, for example in the Excel format, and video films are saved in the standard AV format. oCelloScope's unique scanning technology, combined with advanced software, means that condensation, crystals and inhomogeneous samples can be taken into account. These are factors that traditional plate readers cannot compensate for, making oCelloScope an indispensable instrument for any analysis in which fast and effective responses are vital.